This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. All investments carry risk, so consult a financial professional before making decisions. Are you thinking of trying Nemo Money in 2025? In today's video, I'll break down the key features, pros and cons, and whether it's actually safe or just another overhyped fintech application. So let's start by knowing what is Nemo Money. So Nemo is a commission-free investment application that's making waves in the UAE or the Southeast Asia and beyond. So it allows you to trade stocks, ETFs, and crypto, CFDs with zero fees, and it comes with smart AI tools built right in. So let's start with its key features. So first is the zero commission trading. So in here, you can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and crypto CFDs without paying fees. It also has AI-powered assistant, so you can get AI-based analysis, diversification tips, and market predictions. So they also have themed portfolios, so you can invest in curated sectors with artificial intelligence, electric vehicles, or green energy. And fourth is the fractional investing. So you can own pieces of expensive stocks like Tesla or Amazon without needing hundreds of dollars. Fifth is regulated platform. So this is licensed by ADGM or the Abu Dhabi Global Market and offers SIPC protection up to $500,000 rather. And lastly is there is no minimum deposit. So you can start investing with as little or as much as you want. So it's especially good for beginners who want to learn and invest at the same time. Now let's go to the pros and benefits. So what I like about Nemo. So first is it is easy to use and beginner friendly. It has very beginner friendly interface, which is really great for beginners. Second is AI helps remove the guesswork from investing. So there is no hassle in here. And also no fees on trades. You can also invest in trending sectors with just a few taps. And lastly is the fractional shares. So you have more access for small investors. For cons and the warnings, here are what you should know. First is the withdrawals can be slow. So some users report delays when cashing out. So that's something that you should know. Second is the crypto. Crypto is CFD only, so you don't own the actual crypto, so just derivative. Third is the customer support can be slow also. So response times aren't always that fast. And lastly is not available in all countries. So mostly is focused on UAE and select regions. So if you're looking for true crypto ownership or instant withdrawals, this may not be the ideal yet. So the question is Nemo safe? So Nemo is a legit and regulated platform. It's licensed by the ADGM and has received awards for being fastest growing investment application in the region. So it also has strong user reviews on Trustpilot and Reddit. But as always, invest wisely and do your own due diligence. So, should you use the Nemo Money in 2025? So if you want commission-free trading, AI-powered insights, and a simple app for global investing, then yes, it's worth checking out. But keep in mind the withdrawal limitations and that crypto is currently CFD based only. So this is great for beginners and it also has low fee trading. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!